Hey guys, today we'll be going over ETS's stock box program. Start by opening up the box here. On top of it, you'll see a QC card signed by the technician that built it. First thing that we'll pull out will be a bag containing 3 Swedge Lock Quick Connect rebuild kits, including the spring and stopper. We'll also pull out 2 5-packs of the O-ring rebuild Quick Connects. We'll then pull out. Then we've got our bag that contains 3 of the 3-inch bolt sets and 7 of the 6-inch bolt sets. The next bag will have 3 3-inch 25 micron gaskets, 3 6-inch 25 micron gaskets, and 6 6-inch Viton open gaskets for your collection column and material column. Then also have 6 packs of NovaGuard lube for the Haskell, a 4-ounce jar of coconut oil, and if our ops guys are feeling nice that day, a hat pin or a lighter or 2. So first thing is we have our Swedge Lock rebuild Quick Connects with the spring and the stopper in them. These are good for a quarterly repair or whenever you have leaks due to the spring tension disappearing. We also have the intermittent and occasional repair O-rings in case just the gaskets are starting to wear on you in your Quick Connects. We've got our quarterly amount of gaskets that we'll use, so when the gasket starts to flake away or tear on the side, or you start to notice a tear in your screen, you'll have a backup to go ahead and replace. And this also includes with our collection pot. Over time, if you're starting to get wears, flex here, you can go ahead and replace those when you have them. We've got our 3-inch and our 6-inch bolts for a quarter's worth of use. So if you're starting to know wear on your brass nuts or the tops of your bolts are starting to round out, you can go ahead and replace them as needed. We've also got a 4-ounce jar of coconut oil here to apply moisture back into any gasket that has been used for a day or 2. Go ahead and use some ethanol to wipe it off, soak it in coconut oil overnight, clean it up in the morning, you're good to go. If you're operating the Haskell recovery pump, you want to use this lubricant every 40 to 80 hours of runtime. Just make sure that you're keeping proper maintenance on your Haskell. If you're interested in the stock box subscription or in the stock box, you can contact your ETS rep or your ETS account manager or any of the ETS gang family.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel to stay up to date. Follow us on Instagram. And if you have any questions, please contact us. Thank you.